Sorry. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here doing a creator retreat unboxing. My October came in. So this is what it normally comes in. This is what it normally looks like. Usually put which month it is. So October 2018. Can't believe it's October already. So I've been ordering these every month for the past year. I got a couple from 2017 on clearance, and I'm only ordering them for a whole full year, and then I'm gonna stop. I get the monthly. Every month they send it to me. This is new. I never get this because I've been trying to do so many things that I don't have a lot of time to be doing these. And I do my own Bible studies, so for the new year I'm going to try to organize something where I'm able to use the old ones. So this is what we have. There's already been some videos out there with the unboxing because they're part of the team, so they get it first, I guess. And here's our devotion, Dwell in Unity by Aaron Davis. And the usual, we get what we're going to study, the reflection questions. We will be reading, seems like Matthew, Mark, Luke, Psalms, and John. So there's a few Bible verses that you can create. You have the back, which is very pretty, very colorful. Some people use it for the tabs. I usually don't do anything with it. I don't cut it or anything like that. We have the bows, which I usually don't use, and I will be giving these out when I hit my 1,000 subscribers. So if you have not done so already, go in, subscribe, go check it out. And help me get there so I can give away all the stuff that I am planning on giving away. There is videos on it. If you want to go on my channel and check it out. Let's see, what else do we have? So we have the bowls. So I don't use the bowls, so I have the whole entire year of bowls that I'm giving away. So that's that. Put this in the box of giveaways. This is the stamps. Get a little closer. They're very pretty, very different. The fonts are different. Sort of matches the back of this, the flowers. So that's kind of cool. Let me zoom in really quick. Seems like I'm very far away. So you have, He is for us, in His name, He is with us, together, two more here and where, or gather. So they're all different, which is what I like. So that's that. We have the stamps. 51 stickers with all the lettering and words. Of course, the hearts. This is kind of cool. It's like a cheap, you know, when you have your maps and you're gonna go to the location and is GPSing you there. They put that there. That's kind of cool. These are very different. The color is different, and then we have our letters. So these are square, and we have two different colors. All capitals, which is pretty nice. So this is 432 letters, which is very nice. So this was the October. So once again, the letters. This is a pretty neat, simple kit that I can actually manage compared to the expensive ones. Now that we're a little closer, you can see the devotional, the reflection questions, and you. Hope you liked it. thumbs up, subscribe. Can't wait to do something with it. Thank you for watching. Bye.